If you want to install the dynamic island on the Redmi Note 15, you can actually do that by opening the Google Play Store and search for this application, the dynamic notch notification. Now, when you download this, you will have to open it and select a language. Then click apply in the right upper corner. And as you can see now, that's how it actually looks. We have to click next, 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 and we have to click finished. Now we have to actually accept those permissions, and we can enable it by clicking just over here on this switcher. We have to click I understand, and now we have to grant the necessary permissions to let it work properly. So from this screen and the accessibility, we have to go for downloaded apps, go to the dynamic notch and click on this switcher, turn it on, then click that you are aware of possible risks, and just wait for the 10 seconds, click OK, and we will go for the next step. Now we have to go for the notifications. From this screen, go to the dynamic notch, click on this switcher, and the same. We have to accept this one and click OK after that 10 seconds. So just wait for it. When you scroll down, you can also see what kind of the notifications here we have. And we have to set the dynamic notch as default caller ID and a spam application. Let's do that. Accept all of those permissions. There we go. And we got also the battery optimization. So we have to select no restrictions. Then we have to go back. Now, as you can see, we are all set. So we can just customize it. But as you can see now, it appears over here. Of course, it's not visible because we are not using this. But when we try to use, for example, some kind of the application, now as you can see, we can customize it. Let's try to do this actually. There we go. So here, as you can see, we can change the style, so it will look like this or like this. In my opinion, this way looks better. We can change size of this one. So in my case, let's set, for example, like that. And the position over here, we can also move it to the left, right side. There we go. And now we can also change its color if you want. Also, we can get collapsed notifications, so there will be the border. We can also get expand notch feature. And now when you go back from this one, I wouldn't recommend you to pay for it. You can just use it completely for free. And here you can turn on those notifications for every application, just like that. And now if you receive some kind of the notifications, you will receive them just over here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching this video.